Today we're diving into the world of design and mockups, and I got something special for you. We're exploring unblast.com, your go-to destination for incredible PSD mockups, all for free. Unblast is a treasure trove for designers, offering a wide range of PSD mockups for various projects. Let's take a closer look at what they have to offer. First up, we have mockups for branding and identity. Whether you're designing a logo, business card, or letterhead, Unblast has got you covered with a diverse selection of mockups to showcase your work professionally. These mockups come in various styles and settings, allowing you to present your brand in the best light possible. Next, let's talk about packaging mockups. From boxes to bags, bottles to cans, Unblast provides PSD mockup that allows you to visualize your packaging designs in a realistic and captivating way. With different angles, perspectives, and customized features, you can ensure that your packaging designs stand out and leave a lasting impression. Moving on to apparel mockups, Unblast offers templates for t-shirts, hoodies, caps, and more. These mockups are perfect for presenting your apparel designs to clients or showcasing your work on your portfolio. With options for front and back views, as well as various fabric textures and colors, you can accurately showcase your designs before production. Are you working on a website or app design? Unblast has a fantastic collection of device mockups, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops, in various angles and styles, helping you present your digital designs with flair. These mockups are perfect for showcasing responsive designs or demonstrating user interfaces in a realistic context. Last but not least, Unblast also offers mockups for stationery, posters, and flyers. Whether you're designing a promotional materials or personal projects, these PSD mockups provide the perfect canvas to bring your ideas to life. With options for different paper sizes, textures, and backgrounds, you can create stunning presentations with ease. And there you have it. Unblast.com is your one-stop shop for high-quality PSD mockups completely free of charge. Be sure to visit their website and explore the endless possibilities for your design projects. Links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design resources and tips. Thanks for watching. Happy designing!